Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to add collections to your Shopify homepage. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to online store and then click on themes. Now after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to customize, and then here what you're gonna have to do, so as you can see now we are on the homepage of our Shopify store. So what you can do, we can simply click on add section, and then here we can simply add our collection list. So simply click on that, and basically here we have our collections. Now if you want, as you can see, I have three different collections. So if you want to add more, you can simply click on add collection, or if you want to remove, simply click on the delete button. As you can see now we have only two. And now basically if you want, you can move this around. So if you want this at the top of the page, you can do that. Now you can simply drag and drop this wherever you want, and if you want, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on any of the available collection here, and then simply click on select collection, and then here you're gonna have your list of collections that you can simply choose from. And basically that's all you have to do. After you select that, simply click on select, and that's it. Now in my case, I don't have any collections, so I can't add it, so I'm gonna leave only these three. Now after you add your collections, don't forget to click on save. This is very important, and basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.